Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to insert bullet points in Google Sheets using not just a quick keyboard shortcut, but also a handy formula you can use again and again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to organize your lists, to-dos, or any spreadsheet data with clean, professional-looking bullet points, all right inside Google Sheets. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about using a keyboard shortcut to create bullet points. This is probably the fastest way to add a bullet to your text in Google Sheets, and once you know it, you'll find yourself using it all the time. Here, what you do, click on any cell where you want your bullet point, then simply press Alt and the number 7 on your keyboard at the same time. That Alt plus 7. Go ahead and try it out. You'll notice that a little black bullet point appears exactly where your cursor is. Why does this work? Well, this shortcut taps into a set of Unicode symbols that are built into your computer, and Alt plus 7 happens to correspond to that classic round bullet point. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut may be Option plus 8 since keyboard layouts are a bit different, so keep that in mind. If you're using a laptop and nothing appears, make sure you're actually pressing the keys on your main keyboard, not on a number row or an external keypad that may be mapped differently. Now here's a quick tip. After you've added the bullet, just hit the space bar and type whatever you want next to it, a task, an item in your list, or anything else. If you want to add more indented items, simply do the same in new rows. This shortcut can speed up your organization, making your sheets more visually structured and easy to read at a glance. It might feel a bit odd the first time, but don't worry if it takes a couple attempts. Pretty soon, it'll become muscle memory. Next, let's take things a step further and use a formula. This method is especially useful if you want to automate bullet points across many cells, or if you're setting up a template that others will use. In Google Sheets, there's a built-in function called char. When you enter equals char 9679 into a cell, Google Sheets will display a solid black bullet point. It's kind of like giving your spreadsheet its own little symbol generator. Let me break that down for you. Char is short for character, and 9679 is the Unicode code for circular bullet. Just type equals char 9679 wherever you want the bullet to show up. You can take this even further by combining it with text. For example, you could use equals char 9679 in and finish project report to make a cell that neatly starts with a bullet followed by your task. This is super useful if you're making dynamic lists, or if you need to drag this formula down for multiple items. And the beauty of using the formula method is that it stays consistent. No worry about copy-pasting or formatting. You can just drag that little blue square down and instantly populate an entire column of bullet points. Alright, those are two simple but powerful ways to insert bullet points in Google Sheets. Whether you love a quick keyboard trick or you need a scalable formula, you've now got both options at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you've got any questions or want to share how you use bullet points in your workflow, drop a comment below. I love hearing your ideas. And of course, if you want more straightforward, practical tips for Google Sheets or any other tools, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.